Cayman, you're scaring me. What are you trying to look for in the fridge?
You might want to cut out all that voice stuff.
I can't. Oh my god. What are you doing, Cayman?
Does he think the fridge is a mirror?
What are you doing? What are you looking for? Oh my god. Find something already.
Okay, close the fridge in a minute, okay?
Oh my god, Cayman.
Where's it?
My god, Cayman. What are you doing? Find something to eat already.
Alright, close the fridge.
Oh my god, he's so